Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we share information about work from home jobs and ESL teaching jobs. Disclaimer, I am not affiliated with or connected to any of the companies featured on this channel. I am simply share information and opportunities that may be helpful to job seeker. Please do your own research and verify details before applying to any job or company. Dito po ay mamimili po ako ng mabibigyan ng 50 pesos GCash. Hi guys, for today's video is we will talk about this online tutoring chat base. Ito ay chat base guys. Hindi mo na kailangan magpakita ng mukha or you don't need to fix yourself bago magpakita sa iyong estudyante. It's only chat based lang naman. So magcha-chat ka lang dito. But it doesn't mean it is easy na makapag-apply dito. You have to um, follow the step-by-step on how to be a teacher here in Best Teacher. So, unang-una is you have to register. Registration. Complete the registration form and submit. Next is confirmation. You will receive an email to confirm your registration. Please click the link in the email. Multiple choice. So application test. The application test is divided into two sections. First is multiple choice type section. So tests on English grammar. Next is writing section. Test on written or written English. English. So apply. Application requirements. To apply, you must meet the following requirements: teaching experience, formal English teaching experience, paid or unpaid. Education, high school graduates or higher. Age must be 18 years or older. Qualification, at least one of the following qualification is required: bachelor's degree or higher in English or a related field. Licensed English teacher in your home country for early childhood education or higher. English teaching certification, CELTA, Delta, TESOL, TEFL, TESOL, or etc. TESL. So, additional advantages, not requirements: proficiency in Japanese, experience in preparing student for English exam. So, let's go to home. Um, why not become a tutor at Best Teacher? Exchange messages, edit conversation, conduct speaking lesson. We particularly welcome applicants that have proficiency in Japanese, experience in English exam preparation. So when? Reply to message and edit conversation in your free time. No need to fix your schedule. A convenient way to work for those who are students or who are working full-time. Where? Turn your home into your classroom anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. How? All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a headset. With these tools, you can teach English to Japanese students at any level. Salary. The amount you can make is reflected by your level of commitment. Your total monthly payment sum will be calculated based on the number of messages you have replied to the corrected as well as the number of speaking lessons you have conducted. Payment. Payments are sent worldwide to your PayPal account. So let's click apply now. Let's click again. So application requirements, ayan. And then this is the application form. All fields are required. So you should have email address and then your email address and then password. And then you have to confirm your password, first name, last name, and then Microsoft. If you don't have Microsoft account, please create. And birthday, country of birthday, birth, sorry, country of birth, country of residence, nationality, gender, and then your PayPal account, and then occupation and academic career. You have to send your self-introduction, skills, and qualification. Please follow these guidelines. Over 100 characters. Use proper English without slang, abbreviation, or typos. Use timeless expression. For example, write since 2012 instead of for 10 years. Briefly outline your teaching background and qualification. If applicable, mention your proficiency in Japanese or other languages. Feel free to mention hobbies or personal interests. Personal interests. This self-introduction will be made public to student if you are hard. Skills are qualification as skills and qualification. So please fill in the format in the input field below the highlight your skills and qualification. Note this information will not be shared with students but will be used to assess whether you meet the application requirements. So ayan naman no, meron na silang ano dito. Self-introduction, skills and qualification, teaching experience, ayan. And optional if relevant. So yun lang. Uh, you have to smiling and looking friendly, looking professional, looking straight at the camera, nobody, nothing behind you, plain background. White is the best, but other light colors are okay. No black or dark colored backgrounds. Good visual quality to no screenshot. Full color photo, black and white photos will not be accepted. JPEG or PNG image file format taken within the last 3 months. So yun lang. And if you need some more information about this company, you can do your own research. And please don't forget to click the notification bell and please subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you on our next video.